Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at ISTFA 2023 in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm at Ultratech booth with my new best friend Tim, and Tim is going to tell us about what it is that Ultratech does. So what do you got here, Tim?
Yeah, hi Eric, hi everyone. My name's Tim Hazeldine. Ultratech is a manufacturer and supplier of sample prep equipment. Right here is our premium product, the ASAP-1 in situ, which is a milling and silicon thinning and decapsulation unit for microelectronics. We've been serving the electronics community for well over 20 years with this product, the ASAP-1. Currently this is the 4th generation of the unit, and we're able to do extreme silicon thinning on this machine, follow curvatures on the surface, and we can also install a spectrometer, in fact 2 different flavors of spectrometer, which allows us to in situ, right there in the machine itself, make a map, follow the curvature, and achieve silicon thinnesses, remaining silicon thicknesses of 5 microns and even below there. The idea with everything that Ultratech does is that we can see exactly what's happening at all times. So we have cameras looking from the front at 45 degrees, looking from the side at 45 degrees during the process. We have white light LEDs, which we can also use as NIR LEDs, and that allows us to look through the silicon as we're getting to a silicon transparency.
So if people want to find you online, where do they go?
They'll go to www.ultratechusa.com, and everything is laid out there. We've got a wealth of video materials and all the brochures and a way to buy consumable products for our milling machines.
Okay, thanks a lot, Tim.